Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to do screen recordings on your Galaxy S24. So what you want to do in order for you to record the screen is you slide down until you see this menu here, then you slide down again and you should see this option here, screen recorder. Now because I'm currently using it, I can't tap it, but once you tap it, it's going to give you this little guy right here, which if you want you can drag around the screen, and it has a couple options. So you can stop the video. If you do, it is going to be sent to your screen recordings album in your gallery. You can pause the recording. You have this little pen here that you can use to draw on your screen recording, and there's this little guy here which symbolizes the frontal camera. So if you tap it, you can overlay the frontal camera in your recording. So that's how you use the screen recording app. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.